Let's review Zenpop, a Japanese snack subscription box. We love trying new savory snacks, Japanese candy, and ramen, so when we found out about Zenpop, we had to share our experience with you guys. For our Zenpop snack box review, we will be basing it on a few factors like usual. How many snacks do you get in it? What's the balance between sweet and savory snacks as we unbox? The theme of this Japanese candy and ramen box? Value for money in terms of price and shipping? Quick taste test and who would it be good for? And finally, is it worth it for you? As the Japanese snack selection you'll get will be different every month, these points might not be the same for your subscription box, but you can use our Zenpop review factors as a general guide for what to expect. If you're new to our channel, we review Asian snacks and different snack subscriptions, so make sure to subscribe if you're looking for the best snack boxes to try. Let's unbox this Zenpop snack box. On their website, they mention that you'll get at least 20 or more things to try. In our Zenpop Japanese subscription box, we received 21 snacks, including 1 drink and 1 ramen. We liked how we recognized a few snacks from convenience stores and Japanese supermarkets, since it brought back memories of working in Japan for us. But we also liked how there was a good selection of Japanese snacks we hadn't tried before and seasonal treats too, which kept it fun and interesting. The amount of snacks here is a good size, so it should last at least 2 sessions of junky munching. But if you do want to share it with someone else, just bear in mind that most items don't come in 2, like the drink and ramen. We also got a cute 6-page guide to tell us a little more about some Japanese cultural events happening this month, as well as what other boxes they offer. Now, there wasn't much information about each snack inside the guide, but you do get to know about what the theme is supposed to be. There's also a QR code inside the guide and inside the box to help you find out more on their website. Since this is a mystery Japanese snack box, it took us a bit of time to figure out which one is savory and which one is sweet. But in total, we received 7 savory and 12 sweet types of snacks. Given the size of the savory snacks being a lot larger than the sweet ones, we want to say that it was a relatively balanced mix. We've tried loads of Japanese snack subscription services by this point, so we're quite used to snack boxes being based on festivals, regions in Japan, and seasons. But we've never seen a Japanese snack box based on ASMR before, so it was a refreshing angle for us and a really fun way to enjoy these Zenpop snacks. Let us know in the comments below what themed snack boxes you've been impressed by or wish existed. Since this was our first box, we didn't have much to go by, so instead we looked back at their previous boxes to see if their themes were always this unique. Some that stood out to us were their Ghibli nostalgia and kawaii snacks theme box. When you read about each snack online, each nibble relates to the theme so well. We noticed it was usually something fun and trendy that was happening in Japan or had to do with popular anime and manga series. Their descriptions also feel very young and light-hearted. Overall, it was a fun experience munching on these nibbles. Our Zenpop Japanese subscription box was ordered at the start of the month and arrived within 2 weeks. Within our box, we did get 1 snack that was slightly crushed, but it still tasted great. From looking at other people's reviews online and on Reddit, this didn't seem like a reoccurring issue for other customers, so to keep our Zenpop review fair to the brand, we're going to say it was just a one-off. Price-wise, it's within a similar range to other Japanese snack boxes we've tried, and of course, if you subscribe for longer, the cheaper it becomes per box. Considering that Zenpop is based in Osaka, Japan, and is a smaller company, we understand why it might be a few dollars extra. That being said, it's a pretty good deal if you're in the US, as Zenpop Japan offer their Japanese snacks with free shipping, so it works out a little cheaper than other popular brands. In terms of shipping, if you're outside the US, you will need to pay a shipping fee and potentially even an import tax, but that's quite common for a lot of snack box subscription services that are based in Asia. The Zenpop snacks we tried were strong flavored and distinct from each other, so if you love your snacks to be more flavorful and richer in general, this would be great for you. If you're buying this as a gift, it would definitely suit a younger crowd or someone who loves anime, manga, cute things, or just the quirky side of Japan. The Zenpop snack box is worth it if you like surprises and keeping things a bit different. It's good value for money. The snack selection has a good balance of seasonal treats and classics. And finally, the biggest selling point for us is that the themes are creative and refreshing. We definitely consider subscribing to them for the long term. Make sure to like this video if you want to see us review more snack boxes from this brand or compare it to another box. While you're here, also check out our other snack box review videos.